A very lovely morning to all. My dear students, in our last class, we had started learning about animals. We had learned that there are different types of animals. We had learned about domestic animals, beasts of burden, pet animals. Today we are going to learn about wild animals. So what are wild animals, beta? Wild animals are those animals that live in a jungle or a forest. Sometimes wild animals are kept in a zoo also in cages so that we can go and watch them. Today let's learn about different wild animals. Now this is a tiger. As you all know, tiger is a national animal. A tiger is a member of the cat family. It is a big cat. And how can you recognize a tiger? A tiger has dark colored stripes on its coat. It is mostly of orange color, but sometimes the tigers can be white also. There are white tigers also, although they are rare. Now this is a bear. A bear is a big animal. It has a furry coat. It eats flesh of other animals, and there are different types of bears like black bear, brown bear, a panda, a polar bear. This is a snake. Snakes are of different types. There are lots of varieties of snakes like a cobra, a python, a viper, right? These are long. They have long bodies and they are legless. Legless means they do not have legs. They are without limbs. And they eat other small animals. So as we can see, all these three animals eat other animals. A tiger hunts other animals and then eats them, right? A bear also eats fish and a snake also eats other small animals. And snakes mostly live on trees. They can live in holes also, and some snakes live in water also. This is a zebra. It is found mainly in Africa. It is a member of the horse family. It also has stripes on it, white and black colored stripes. Now this is an elephant. An elephant is the largest land animal. It is the largest land animal. जो एनिमल्स जमीन पर रहते हैं उनमें सबसे बड़ा होता है एलिफेंट. There are African elephants also and Asian elephants also. Elephants have a long trunk. Trunk, what is a trunk? जो इसकी सूंड होती है लंबी सी उसको बोलते हैं trunk. So elephants have a long trunk. They have large ears and they have tusks also. What are tusks? These two white teeth that you can see. बड़े बड़े दांत नजर आ रहे हैं ना white. These are known as tusks. और जो ट्रंक होती है एलिफेंट की, an elephant uses its trunk to drink water, to hold things just like we use our hands, and it also uses it to breathe. This is the nose of the elephant. Okay, लेकिन ये इतना लंबा है तो ये nose का भी काम करता है और हाथ का भी काम करता है. It can pick up food from it with the help of this trunk and put it in its mouth. It can drink water also. Water as such drink नहीं करता है, trunk में भरता है and then it put it into its mouth, right? Now this is a giraffe. A giraffe, this is also found in Africa mainly, and it is the tallest land animal. Just like the elephant is the largest होता है, सबसे बड़ा होता है. जिराफ जो है वो tallest है, सबसे लंबा land animal है. Okay? A giraffe has a very long neck. A giraffe eats leaves and fruits and flowers from tall trees. Now there is a lion. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. It is a very powerful animal, right? It hunts other animals and then eats them. This is a rhino, a rhinoceros. It has one or two horns and it has a very thick skin. बहुत मोटी इसकी skin होती है. It has a very thick skin. And a rhino eats leaves. हमें क्या लग रहा है कि इतना बड़ा है तो शायद ये भी और एनिमल्स को खाता होगा, है ना? बट नो, rhino eats only leaves. Our next animal is the deer. A deer is a very beautiful animal. It runs very fast, right? And mostly the other animals like tigers and lions, they hunt deers. ठीक है? They hunt and eat deers. But deer is a very lovely, beautiful animal, and there are many types of deers available. So now, beta, here you can see this slide saying that wild animals never kill for sport. वो कभी किसी को ऐसे नहीं मारते हैं. They live in jungles and we feel they are dangerous, but as such they are not dangerous. If we don't say anything to them, they will not hurt us. They hunt others only if they want to eat. If they are hungry, then they will hunt other animals and eat. और if they feel they are threatened, if they feel कि उनको अपने आप को खतरा नजर आता है, कि हम उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि हम शायद उन्हें कोई नुकसान पहुंचाने वाले हैं, then only they will kill us. Okay, otherwise they never kill anyone. They are very peaceful animals. So that is what we should learn from them, because us many of the children I have seen, they are just hurting animals, है ना? कोई dog नजर आया, cat नजर आया, you pick a stone and hit them, right? This is what you do, but you should not do that. Animals are very lovely. We should be very loving and very caring towards animals. So that's all for today, beta. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Take care. Bye bye.